thinking of you in my sleepless solitude tonight. If it's wrong to love you, then my heart just won't let me be right. 'Cause I've drowned in you, and I won't pull through without you by my side. I give my heart to have just one more night with you. I risk my life to feel your body next to mine. 'Cause I can't go on.
So apply EJ oil on the tangled bits like this. Just apply the oil on it and use your fingers to massage it in and leave them in to soak in. So you do this and you leave them for some while. So the ones I put earlier on, by the time I finish oiling all the hair, those ones are softened. So I then go ahead and pick them out. So it's easier for me to pick out. And when I want to start picking it out, I also apply more oil on it, and before I start picking it out and massaging it in as I go. And it's so easy when you use the oil. So purchase this oil. It's good for your kids, it's good for hair growth, it's good for hair maintenance. Yeah, so your children won't be crying all the time when you're making their hair, and it helps, reduce the length of breakage that you're gonna get when detangling hairs. Yeah.
I give my all for your love. I'm thinking of you in my sleepless solitude tonight. If it's wrong to love you, then my heart just won't let me be right. 'Cause I've drowned in you, and I won't pull through without you by my side.
Guys, this video is fast forwarded, so if you see me doing this, don't think I'm yanking my daughter's hair. Please, I just want to put out this disclaimer because people will think, oh, she's yanking her hair. No, it's very slow. I just fast forwarded it because it's too long. Right, guys, just enjoy the video.